Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by hunting demand. Open Google Trends, set the country, and choose 7 30-day data to catch momentum. Compare 3-5 related keywords to see which one spikes most. That tells you where attention flows. Once done, validate intent by checking top queries and related topics. Make sure to favor niches where you can add a product or content quickly. Affiliate links, AdSense pages, or a one-page digital offer will convert attention into revenue fast. You now act. Produce a focused piece of content that targets the trending query precisely. Write an 801, 200-word article or a 2 5-minute video that answers intent immediately. Place the keyword in title, H1, meta, and within the first 100 words so search and viewers understand relevance. Once done, sprinkle affiliate links or place AdSense slots where engagement is highest, and include a clear call to action for a product or lead capture to funnel the spike into cash. You finish by amplifying and watching metrics. Share the piece across social, niche communities, and test small paid boosts if conversion justifies spend. Check CTR, bounce rate, and conversions for 48-72 hours and tweak headlines, thumbnails, or lead magnets to improve results. If traffic stalls or rankings drop, refresh the content with new stats or screenshots and pivot to related rising terms found in trends. That quick refocus often restores momentum and revenue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.